Okay, we're back. Now, this is the second part of my video about creating gold solution out of sodium bicarbonate and copper. And we've had a lot of mistakes and made a lot of errors, and we've made one more mistake, big mistake, since the first video. And it's actually led to a enormous discovery that will make us rich forever. So stay tuned and watch this video because it's going to be very important. So anyways, I put in a lot of baking soda, and I accidentally put in too much baking soda twice in a row, and it overflowed twice in a row and got all over my burner and everything, and all over the side of the glass, and emptied out and got salt all over the salt in solution, baked on the nail and the copper plate, and yeah, and it got on the desk and dripped off onto the carpet, so I'm in trouble. Anyways, what I discovered was the burner took on the golden appearance. And then when I squirted on more of the solution onto the golden part, it turned all salty. So I couldn't show you that. But I can show you what happened underneath the gold part. And I scraped off some of the salt, and I got a silver layer that is coppery underneath. And I don't know if you can see that quite. Maybe you can, maybe if I get it from this angle. It's kind of coppery, and then it has a silver layer. I don't know. It's almost looking the silver turned into gold already. But there's like a silver layer, and then a copper layer, and then a gold layer. And it appears that the solution, when baked onto a metal, turns it from iron into copper, into silver, into gold. And it does it in that order. So if you have iron and you bake the solution onto it, it turns into silver. Just kidding. Yeah, it turns into silver. I was wrong. I made a video and I had to remake it. So it looks like we were getting copper into gold, or silver and gold, or something like that. I don't know, I'm confused. Anyways, the nail that got the solution baked onto it and stayed really hot for a long time is turning into silver, as you can see right here. It's got silver on it now. Anyways, the copper, which had solution baked onto it, is also turning into silver, as you can see right there. Oops, sorry, camera's bad. You can see it's turning into silver there. So this solution does miracles. Obviously, copper is a lower grade of the, or iron obviously is a lower grade of the solution. Copper is a little more advanced. It turns things into copper. Iron turns things into iron, then silver, then gold. Copper turns things into copper, then silver, then gold. I don't know. Who knows how it works exactly? It's a mystery. Yeah, and we get gold out of it ultimately. But that seems to be the order that things go in. It goes into silver, then into gold. And it has to turn into the base metal first. So it turns base metals into that other base metal, then silver, then gold. And that seems to be the order it works in. So I discovered this, and now I'm pretty happy. So even though my experiment didn't work, it kind of worked out in the end, that we do have the ultimate panacea for metallurgy. So it's a transmutative process, transmutation process or transmutative process. Anyways, how to transform metals from base metals into precious metals. So that's good, and we're getting a like now because I showed you that. Anyways, not to coerce you. So the solution is the solution, and you have to bake it onto hot metal, and then you get the precious metals like silver or gold or more copper. So thanks for watching. This is Michael Ellis.